Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at JASMY coin, or JASMY. JASMY is currently ranked at the 196 in the ranking with a market cap of about $255 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $71 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for JASMY. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so in the last 1 week, we are down about 5.1%, and in the last 24 hours right here for JASMY we are up 3.2%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for JASMY versus the USD Theta. We on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So we love to see on the channel, as you would know, that prices usually move from level to level, level to level, level to level, right? And we have been respecting all our levels. As you can see, our EMAs we turned bullish right here at the 0.003199, and we have reading this push to the upside right here for JASMY. We're up 132%, and right here the moment we saw the signals, we're seeing we could see some sort of pullback, and we have seen that pullback, right? But I'll still tell you that signals, as you can see, more signals are still showing that we could see one last pullback. And for some of you that missed this move, this will be the opportunity to accumulate right even more before we see that massive push to the upside, right? So we could see one last pullback into the $0.004235 level before we continue our push to the upside. And I'll tell you why. First is that we have seen this sort of massive bearish divergence happening right here on the volume profile. Even though we are seeing some huge buys coming in, that is why we said we could see one last fake out into the $0.04235 level before we see this sort of massive push to the upside. Another reason we could see this sort of push to the downside of about 18%, which is going to scare a lot of people, but it's going to be a massive fake out, is because Bitcoin is showing some sort of bearish signs right here on a lot of time frames. So this is Bitcoin, and you know Bitcoin is the king of the market. When Bitcoin pushes down, the altcoins also push down. Right here on the 3 days time frame, if you just notice, every time we saw the cross on the MACD, the price of Bitcoin touches the lower end of the Bollinger Band, right? First, we saw this cross right here. As you can see, we touched the Bollinger Band. We started moving to the upside, right? Same thing right here. We saw the cross on the MACD, right? We touched the end of the Bollinger Band, or the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and then we began to push to the upside. Same thing right here. We saw the cross right here, push to the end of the Bollinger Band, and then we saw the push to the upside. So every single place where we saw the cross, we usually touch the end of the Bollinger Band before we see that massive push to the upside. And currently, as you can see, we have seen this cross. So with a very high likelihood, we could see Bitcoin coming to that $37,000 level before we see that bounce. And that's why we said we could see JASMY see another retracement right here into this at $0.004235 level, a 17% dump. This is where you want to accumulate even more JASMY, right? As we are about to see another massive push to the upside. So you want to accumulate right here at these levels, and then we could see that push to the upside. Also, Bitcoin is also showing more signs of a correction, right? As you can see, we are forming the shooting star candle pattern, an uptrend. We form the shooting star candle, see a downtrend. As you can see, the same thing is happening right here for Bitcoin on the weekly uptrend. We have formed that shooting star candle, so we could see a pullback, right? So all the analysis favors that we could see one last pullback into that $37 level, and that could mean we could see a pullback even into the 0.004235 right here for JASMY. But this is the level you want to accumulate more JASMY, as JASMY is still bullish, and then we could see some sort of massive push to the upside, right? So that's the update right here for JASMY. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. So long term, we are still bullish, but short term, we are bearish, and we could see a correction. But mind you, JASMY is still bullish, and we are expecting higher price targets, right? So that's the update right here for JASMY. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.